In today's rapidly evolving e-commerce landscape, dropshipping on TikTok has emerged as a significant trend that entrepreneurs are eager to explore. TikTok, initially known for its entertaining short videos, has transformed into a powerful platform for product promotion and sales. The app's unique algorithm allows businesses to reach a vast audience, making it an ideal space for showcasing products. One of the most notable phenomena is the TikTok Made Me Buy It trend, where users share their purchases inspired by viral content, driving immense traffic and sales for featured products. For those looking to tap into this lucrative market, it's essential to understand the steps involved in creating and promoting a TikTok shop. By harnessing the power of TikTok, aspiring entrepreneurs can effectively navigate the dropshipping model and capitalize on the platform's growing relevance in the world of online shopping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method that allows entrepreneurs to sell products without the need to maintain inventory. Instead of purchasing items in bulk, sellers partner with suppliers who handle storage, packaging, and shipping directly to customers. This model offers several advantages for new entrepreneurs, including reduced financial risk and the ability to focus on marketing and customer engagement. On TikTok, dropshipping operates seamlessly as creators can showcase products through engaging videos, driving traffic directly to their online stores. The role of suppliers is crucial. They ensure products are available and shipped promptly, allowing sellers to concentrate on promoting their offerings. One of the most appealing aspects of dropshipping is the minimal upfront costs involved. Entrepreneurs can start their businesses with little more than a TikTok account and a marketing strategy, eliminating the need for large investments in inventory. Overall, TikTok provides a dynamic platform for aspiring dropshippers to thrive. When starting a TikTok dropshipping store, selecting a specific niche is crucial for attracting targeted customers and standing out in a crowded marketplace. Specialization allows you to tailor your content and marketing strategies to a specific audience, making it easier to build a loyal customer base. For instance, successful niches include sports equipment, where enthusiasts seek the latest gear, or beauty products, which cater to consumers looking for innovative skincare and makeup solutions. By focusing on a niche, you can create engaging content that resonates with your audience, showcasing products in a way that highlights their unique benefits. Emphasize your niche expertise and build a community around your brand. Engage with your audience through TikTok videos that provide value, such as tutorials or product reviews, to differentiate yourself. By honing in on a specific niche, you can effectively carve out your space in the competitive world of e-commerce on TikTok. Connecting with trustworthy dropshipping suppliers is crucial for your e-commerce success. Prioritize product quality and supplier reliability, as these impact customer satisfaction and your brand's reputation. Reliable suppliers provide high-quality products and maintain consistent communication for smooth operations. Fast shipping is essential in today's market, where consumers expect prompt delivery. Partnering with suppliers who meet these expectations enhances customer service and encourages repeat business. Excellent customer service from suppliers helps resolve issues, solidifying your relationship. Conduct thorough research to find reputable suppliers. Check reviews and feedback from other dropshippers to gauge experiences. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehoo feature ratings and testimonials to guide your decisions. Connecting with trustworthy suppliers builds a solid foundation for your dropshipping business. Creating a TikTok for Business account is a crucial step for entrepreneurs looking to leverage the platform for e-commerce. To get started, visit the TikTok for Business website and click on the Get Started button. You'll need to provide your email address or use an existing TikTok account to sign up. Once registered, select Switch to Business account in your account settings. This transition allows you to access tools designed for businesses, including analytics and advertising options. Complete your profile with relevant business details, such as your brand name, website, and a compelling bio. A complete profile enhances your credibility and helps potential customers understand your offerings. By creating a TikTok for Business account and ensuring it is fully developed, you position your brand for success on the platform, allowing you to engage with your audience and drive sales more effectively. Promoting products on TikTok requires a blend of effective marketing strategies to maximize reach and engagement. Utilizing TikTok ads allows businesses to target specific demographics and increase visibility. Collaborating with influencers can significantly enhance your brand's credibility and reach. Partnering with influencers who align with your brand values can drive traffic to your products. Creating engaging organic content that resonates with users is equally important. TikTok thrives on creativity and authenticity, so producing entertaining and relatable videos can help you connect with your audience. Striking a balance between paid promotions and organic growth is essential. Regularly posting engaging videos, participating in trends, and utilizing popular sounds can enhance your organic reach. Combining these strategies can effectively promote your products on TikTok, driving both immediate sales and long-term brand loyalty. Establishing an efficient order fulfillment process is crucial for the success of any e-commerce business, particularly in the competitive landscape of dropshipping. There are two primary methods of order fulfillment: manual and automated. Manual fulfillment involves handling orders by hand, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. In contrast, automated fulfillment utilizes software and technology to streamline the process, significantly enhancing accuracy and efficiency. Automation reduces the likelihood of mistakes, such as incorrect shipments or inventory discrepancies, which can lead to customer dissatisfaction. By implementing automated systems, businesses can process orders more quickly, allowing for faster shipping times and improved overall service. Streamlined fulfillment processes directly contribute to enhanced customer satisfaction. When orders are fulfilled accurately and promptly, customers are more likely to have a positive experience, leading to repeat purchases and positive reviews. Efficient order fulfillment allows businesses to scale operations without compromising quality, ensuring they can meet growing demand. Ultimately, investing in an efficient order fulfillment process, especially through automation, can lead to increased operational efficiency, reduced costs, and a stronger reputation in the marketplace, all of which are essential for long-term success in e-commerce. As we look ahead to 2024, identifying popular and trending products is essential for success in the e-commerce landscape. Some items that are likely to perform well include phone cases, LED lights, and beauty products. Phone cases continue to be in high demand as consumers seek both protection and personalization for their devices. LED lights, particularly those that offer customizable colors and smart features, are gaining popularity for home decor and ambiance enhancement. Additionally, beauty products, especially those focusing on clean and sustainable ingredients, are increasingly sought after as consumers become more conscious of their purchases. To stay competitive, it's crucial for entrepreneurs to remain updated on market trends and consumer preferences. Regularly researching industry reports, following social media trends, and engaging with online communities can provide valuable insights for product selection. By staying informed, you can effectively choose products that resonate with your audience and capitalize on emerging trends in 2024. In this video, we covered essential steps to start a TikTok dropshipping store, providing you with the tools needed to thrive in the e-commerce space. We began by discussing the importance of selecting a specific niche or product that resonates with your target audience. Next, we highlighted the significance of connecting with trustworthy suppliers to ensure product quality and reliable shipping. We also explored effective marketing strategies, including the use of TikTok ads and influencer collaborations, while emphasizing the need for engaging organic content. Additionally, we discussed the importance of establishing an efficient order fulfillment process. As we wrap up, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Don't forget to explore our related videos for further learning on topics like product selection and marketing strategies. Thank you for watching. and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.